Good morning, everyone. I'm Jasmine Tabibi, a research associate with the Center for Research and Education on Violence Against Women and Children. Our team really values the important and challenging work done by our partners across the country. And for all of you, we've built in a mindfulness session with Chenthoori Malankov. Chenthoori is a daughter of the Thamil diaspora, and she's also an artivist from Toronto. She uses alternative platforms such as arts and education models in the workshops and trainings that she facilitates and delivers on ending violence against women across the province within the immigrant and refugee communities, working with the Ontario Council of Agencies Serving Immigrants. Chenthoori is currently a trauma-informed yoga practitioner, cultivating spaces of healing to address resilience in the face of violence within marginalized and racialized communities. Please join me in welcoming Chenthoori.
So hi everybody, as Yasmin mentioned, my name is Chenthoori Malankov. Just before the speaker that we had before myself, the conversations that we're going to be having today, I know that this is an online forum and this might be different for a lot of people that are tuning in. However, this work is heavy, these conversations are heavy, and I think it's really important to cultivate spaces of healing, but also cultivate spaces for ourselves to allow ourselves to take time and spaces for ourselves. So I'm just going to ask to begin this practice to allow yourself to be in a relaxed and comfortable position. I'm going to also ask the folks who are tweeting at this time, as well as the organizers of this event, to also take a moment and do this guided meditation with us today. So I would kindly ask if your phones are turned off, your laptops are not clicking, and find yourself in a straight position in your chairs if you're seated, or folks who are tuning in, if you are on the ground, find a comfortable and relaxed position. I would ask if folks feel comfortable to close their eyes. If at any point in time closing your eyes is triggering or doesn't feel comfortable, find a spot in the room where you are right now to focus your attention to. During this breathing meditation, you will focus on your breath. This will calm your mind and truly relax your body. And today we're just going to have a natural opening of our heart. Check into your body and notice how you're feeling right now. Letting whatever is here be here. I'm going to ask you to gently roll your shoulders forward. And let's do that for about 4 times. And then slowly back. Lean your head from side to side, lowering your left ear towards your left shoulder, and then your right ear towards your right shoulder. And do this for about 4 times. Truly feel how relaxed your muscles are right now. Your body will continue to relax as you meditate. I'm going to ask you to bring your attention to your breathing. Notice how powerful your breath is. It is allowing you to breathe in and out. I'm now going to ask you to focus your attention on someone or someplace or something that you truly love and makes you feel safe and happy. This could be a person, this could be a place, or even a pet, a dog or a cat. I find sometimes animals have the most natural tendency of making us happy. And as you are thinking of this person, place, or thing, or even a pet, imagine and notice the feeling inside right now. Notice how you are beaming of a smile. It may bring you warmth, a sense of expansiveness. This is the loving kindness. This is a natural feeling that is accessible to all of us at this very moment. This is a reminder that you are loved. You are worthy and deserving of kindness towards yourself. When your attention wanders, as it will, Just focus back again on your breathing. Notice any stray thoughts, but don't dwell on them. Simply let the thoughts pass. Feel the air entering through your nose. Picture the breath flowing through your cavities, in your sinuses, and then down to your lungs. Notice your feet on the floor. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the floor. You are grounded. You are present here right now. Notice your back against the chair. Bring your attention into your stomach area. If your stomach is tense or tight, let it soften. And take a deep breath. Notice your hands. Are your hands tense or tight? See if you can allow them to soften, or even drop them by your side if you're seated in a chair right now. Notice your arms. Feel any sensation in your arms. Let your shoulders be soft. Notice your neck and throat. Let them be soft. Soften your jaw. Let your face and facial muscles be soft. Then notice your whole body be present right now. You are allowing yourself to be here. Take one more deep breath. I'm going to ask everybody to take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Notice how your body feels. See how calm and gentle your breathing is, and how relaxed you are in this moment. Now it is time to gently reawaken your body. Keeping your eyes closed, notice the sounds around you if there is any. Feel the floor beneath you. Feel your clothes against your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Shrug your shoulders up and drop them down gently. Open your eyes and remain seating for a few moments. Straighten out your legs and stretch your arms if that feels comfortable. Feel free to rotate your wrists and ankles. And yeah, deeply exhale for me. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Chenthoori, for the gift of self-care during the forum today. We will meet Chenthoori again in a future session and present our more formal thank you at that time.